How to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. So if you're also annoyed by continuous notifications from Meta AI, currently the new feature on Facebook. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you're logged into account. Now simply click on the search bar and you should see the option that is Meta AI, and if you don't see that from over here you can simply head over to your Facebook Messenger application and you should see search option that is, as you can see, Meta AI at the bottom right corner, and just tap on this, and all you have to do to mute or simply turn this off is you can just tap on this I button at the top right corner and simply click on this mute button, as you can see. So from here now you can basically mute it for particular times such as 15 minutes, 1 hours, 24 hours, etc. But since we want to turn it off completely, you want to change or click on this until I change it option and simply click on it, okay. And just like that you will no longer be getting unnecessary notifications from this Meta AI extension. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.